Focusing on what's business critical and prioritizing strategies that are sustainable for your business is key for efficiency. But how do you decide what's business critical and needs to be prioritized? In this video, discover 3 ways to help lead generation advertisers like yourself identify priorities and plan for efficiency. Use tools for customers' insights. Identify and track the lead to sale journey. Navigate changes in your operations with the right features. First, monitor movements and trends in the customer search behavior via Google Trends. Understanding shifts in query volume can help you prioritize your resources to reflect changes in demand. To also help you monitor and plan for shifts in customer behavior, use Performance Planner. Performance Planner lets you create plans for your advertising spend and see how changes to campaigns might affect important metrics for your business and overall performance. Using Performance Planner, you can see forecasts updated daily for your campaigns using data from the last 7 days. Explore outcomes by adjusting campaign settings. Understand seasonal opportunities and recent market fluctuations. Plan optimal budgets, bids, and targets across accounts and campaigns to reach your marketing goals. To access the Performance Planner, sign in to your Google Ads account. Click the Tools and Settings icon in the top right corner, and then select Performance Planner. Click Create New Plan, select which campaigns will be part of your new plan, and then click Continue. Customer behavior is dynamic on Google Search. Are your existing ads still relevant to what your customers value most? Optimization Score in Google Ads provides recommendations on how to improve the performance of your campaign. Among other improvements, the recommendations cover how to make your ads more relevant and engaging to your customers. It suggests phrases and headlines to add or change, and ad extensions to review, while also providing performance uplift estimates for each suggestion. From the page menu on the left, click Recommendations. Then filter recommendations to ads and extensions. Next, think about identifying and tracking all of the important customer touchpoints on their lead to sale journey. This will help you get the information you need to gauge the efficiency of your strategies. Important interactions with your customers often happen through offline touchpoints, such as through email or phone, and are tracked in your customer relationship management tool, known as your CRM. Using offline conversion tracking, you can share when these events happen, giving you visibility of the sales impact driven by each advertising strategy within your account. Offline conversion actions are also compatible with smart bidding strategies, driving efficient results across the whole customer journey with real-time bid adjustments, showing your ads to the potential customers that matter most for your business. Lastly, make sure your strategies reflect any changes in your operations. Revisit ad scheduling and geographic targeting to make sure your ads are running in locations and times relevant to your business. Creating alternate lead acquisition channels might offload pressure over the existing mediums and help you bolster lead generation while dealing with operational changes. Lead form extensions are simple to set up, can be integrated to your CRM, and have flexible messaging to set expectations on follow-up times. Lead form extensions are also easy to use by your customers, as they feature pre-filled data on the form fields. These extensions might help you keep lead generation going when other channels are offline. You're now on your way to an efficient lead generation strategy. Remember to keep checking in on tools to stay up to date on customer trends and the customer journey. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.